What's up, guys? Back with the Sean Callahan channel. Got a couple requests that said, hey man, you know, I see the aluminum body in the background, do a video on it. So we're gonna do a little walk around on this guy today. This is a 2018 F250, so let's check it out. I bought this truck from a dealership, pretty much built like this. It is on 24-inch wheels, 14-inch wide, 37-inch tires, 13.5s. It has a BDS 4-inch lift, Fox 2.0 shocks, the lift springs. It doesn't have no pucks. Fox steering dampeners. Remember them American Force 24s. They look pretty good on this truck with the 37s. Got that bulletproof hitch. 22,000 pounds. Big boy hitch. This truck's all blacked out. Came like that from the dealership. Pretty nice truck, but you know, you buy a blacked out truck, everything's blacked out. What's up with that? I mean, come on. I mean, you can't say, oh, well, Ford was trying to advertise because they blacked their logo out. So, kind of don't make sense, but whatever. I'll get them painted. And the blackout on this, it kind of looks like a work truck one. There's really no shininess. I think they should have put a little shine into it, just like the inside here, and it would have made it look a little better. But that's really the only complaints I have on this truck. The truck's beautiful. I love it. Drives awesome. Has power steps. Ooh, let's get up in here. Push to start. Everything's automatic. You know, it's pretty stock. Besides the options at the factory. I like the truck, man. Truck's a nice truck. You know, they got the digital dash, if you guys weren't aware, on the newer trucks, which I do like a lot. Believe it or not, I have another one of these trucks right there. That's my work truck. I drive every day. And the only options that that truck don't have that this one has is the push to start. And believe it or not, I'm starting to just love that push to start. I hate pulling the key out of my pocket. It's really annoying, especially when I'm walking out of Lowe's. I'm a contractor, so you know, I'm pushing something and I gotta get my key. So anyways, besides the point, it's just something I wish I would have got on my work truck. My work truck is a 19, so it is newer. And believe it or not, when I say I'm spoiled, but automatic windshield wipers. That's just awesome, man. I got used to it and now I really love it. So it's like, if I had to do it again, definitely proximity key with the keyless ignition, and then automatic windshield wipers are like a necessity for me. So there it is, man. So if you guys got any questions, comments, drop them below, and please like, subscribe to my page so I can keep making these videos.